Hey guys, we have a bunch of new templates to release to you today, and I want to just walk you through a couple of them to get your juices flowing on what you can install now in your Freedomkit account. So we have 3 complete new website templates, one in the health and wellness, one in the insurance space, one in the e-commerce health and wellness as well, with a built-in shop and designs. We also have a new creative type funnel inside of our funnel builder, and we have new email templates published as well, and all kinds of templates. So let's just take a quick look at this. It's a beautiful, you kind of get the structure of it. This is going to be that simple, one main purpose website here with like a house cleaners is set up here, home services. That looks really, really good. Now here on your wellness journey, this is going to be the kind of probably an e-commerce store or a course shop or a services where you have different retreats and things like that. But again, you can look at whatever you want to sell and make it fit here. Just change out the images, maybe change a color scheme here or there, and you can sell anything. So this is going to be something more for where you want to book clients, have some testimonials there. Scrolling on down, a very simple solar is a huge industry to go into, helping people make more solar sales. So we put a brand new solar funnel in there. We have a traveling around the world. So maybe any of your summer plans, if you want to be traveling, you can have a travel blog built in here as well. And you can even have different packages and sales products to help people out with their traveling. Here's a simple form here. And then more the creative style, where this is going to be that funnel where you can see maybe you want to have a creative agency where you're helping people with their web design or with their branding, anything like that. Beautiful looking, nice branding here. And then also we've got our store, which is a yoga class here, or a yoga store. So you can maybe offer online yoga as well as products. Maybe you can even drop ship products for your stretching blocks or whatever yoga tools you're selling. And we also have a bunch of new e-commerce related social media graphics you can also bring in with your Freedomkit account. So awesome to the creative team for continuing to fill out more and more templates to make your jobs easier of getting up and started. Hope you guys are having a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.